Feast of Culture was filmed with deep respect for the Igbo people and their vibrant traditions. In Igboland, a great celebration begins with the morning dew. Today, quickly, the market will not wait for us. Today's soup demands the freshest ingredients.
Look around you, Ekene. This is the lifeblood of our village. Everything we need is here. Only the best yam for our enrigi. It must be strong and sweet.
For Ofe Nsala, the fish must be alive, full of vigor.
Ah, yes, this is the one. The soul of the soup.
A pure soup requires pure ingredients.
Chuku, bless this food. Let it bring unity and joy. Isee. The blessing is given. Let the fire hear our drums.
Feast of Culture. This one has strength for nriji. This one has a soft heart to give body to our soup.
Feast of Culture. Smooth, Mazi Okoro.
Now we give the soup its body.
The Ofe, crayfish for sweetness, and the ogiri for the deep soul of Igboland. The nriji is ready, fit for a king.
Feast of Culture. The Uziza for its sharp perfume.
That is the smell of celebration. Nay, your hand is blessed. It is perfect. Feast of Culture. They say when a woman gives birth, you bring her Ofe Nsala. Why?
The first bowl. For the ancestors, to thank them for their guidance. Feast of Culture. Feast of Culture.
hands have done well. Feast of culture. Feast of culture.
My arms may be gone, but my belly is ready.
Oof. The Uziza has power.
To us, to our hands, and to our culture.
Feast of culture.
Mama, the soup was a dream. My compliments.
Dalu.
Eat well, my child.
The pots are empty. The spirits of the ancestors are pleased. And the bonds of our community are stronger than ever.
Feast of culture.
Look, this is what it means to be Igbo. To work together, to eat together, to dance together. This is our wealth.
Today, you fed our village not just with food, but with your spirit. I am proud of all of you.
Dalunu.
Thank you for joining our feast.
You have been watching Feast of Culture. May your own pot always be full.
You have sat with us and shared our meal today. If the spirit of our feast has touched your heart, please do us this favor.
My hands have pounded yam for the last time until the next festival, which is next week. They say the man who finishes his pounded yam last is the one who truly savored the soup. We played well today. Yes, the ancestors are pleased.
Feast of culture.
A good day.
A very good day.
First the catfish, then the yam. No, wait, yam first, then the spices for the nsala.
Feast of culture.
Feast of Culture was filmed with deep respect for the Igbo people and their vibrant traditions.
If you enjoyed today's journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Join us next time for another unforgettable taste of adventure.